This is my client Myri, and today I'm giving her a soft, glam, sultry look. I'm starting off by giving her face a nice big drink with some moisturizer. I feather in her brows, set her eyelid, and apply this nice bronzy color from IT Cosmetics all over her lid. Now we prep for lashes. Brown eyeliner, pompadour lashes from Kiss. As I wait for the lashes to dry, I go in and add a little bit more eyeshadow and just perfect everything. Now I take an oil-based makeup remover and remove any of the fallout underneath her eye. I go in with the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix in the color NC5. I use my favorite brush, the 170 from MAC, and just pat that into her face. The whole process takes about 5 minutes. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Swan. If you're looking to get coverage under your eye, you really should be using a brush. Tap really gently in any of the areas that you need to conceal. To really brighten up the area, just bring this down each side of the nose. And then make sure that you're bringing that right up underneath the lash line and then feathering it down the face. Once I'm done, I take my 170 brush and I just make sure that everything's really nice and blended. And then setting with a translucent powder. I'm going back in with the same bronze color that we used on the top, and I am just putting that all underneath her lash line. And I'm doing that with the Morphe 326 brush. I'm just going to do a soft contour, so I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in medium. I like to put it in the cheekbone area and right underneath that jawline. For blush, I'm using Warm Soul from MAC. This blush never fails me. Put it right on the apple of her cheek and all the way up into her hairline. I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer underneath her eye, so I am using the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in the shade Taupe. To make her eyes look a little more sultry, I am putting a black eyeliner right in that waterline. I always use a liquid lipstick first for my clients so that they get a little bit more wear out of their lipstick. So this is Pink Cashmere, and this is from the Sephora collection. After I apply the liquid lipstick, I am applying some lip liner. This is Sweet Tea from Morphe. And I swear this lip liner looks good on everyone and goes with almost every lip shade. Then I top it off with Sugar Sugar from Marc Jacobs. This also adds some moisture to the lips so they won't get too dry. And this is her beautiful, perfect face before. And this is after. Jacqueline did some really beautiful bouncy curls and it just suits her so well. I also added some cookie highlighter to all the high points of her face. So that's where she's getting that really beautiful glow on her cheeks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.